Hello guys, how to fix if your iPhone stuck in zoom mode? If you try to zoom your iPhone screen and if you find it will stuck, then how to fix this issue in your iPhone, any series of your iPhone. And here are the various fixes. As you see, 3-finger touch to enable or disable. Tap with 3 finger and you can enable or zoom in or zoom up. And to fix this issue, tap on settings, go to accessibility and here tap on zoom, from where you can enable or disable zoom magnifiers in your iPhone. Now you can tap anywhere on your screen and use any blank space of your iPhone. Tap 3 finger and the first workaround is hard reset your iPhone. First press volume up, then volume down, and then long press home button to hard reset your iPhone. If you have iPhone 15 or newer, then conjointly press volume button and home button and hold until Apple logo appear on your screen. Sometimes hard restart your iPhone will resolve this issue. If you find this issue still in your iPhone, if you try to zoom, magnify your screen, then stuck on your phone, then the next workaround to fix this issue is again tap on settings and go to general and software update. Install Windows iOS latest update on your system. If any update available, simply choose update now. Sometimes outdated iOS update may be a cause of iPhone screen stuck on zoom mode. After that, you can easily enable or disable or use in zoom mode on your iPhone. The next one is go to settings, tap on general and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset again and choose reset all settings. Unlock your iPhone with passcode and again tap on reset all settings. Now your issue will definitely resolved. That's